Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to display your Polaroid pictures in a designer approved way. I really love how this turned out. It looks really nice. I'm looking at it now over my shelf. It looks so nice. It looks very clean. It doesn't look cluttered like you see a lot of Polaroid pictures looking. Just looks very sophisticated, and it adds a bit of personality to the space as well, which is why I love Polaroid pictures. And they're super trendy now as well, so it's great. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video, and this is going to be actually a two-part video. So in the next part I'm going to be showing you how another way you can display them using like a different kind of design technique. But yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. If you're new to my channel, my name is James. I'm an interior designer here in Ireland. All my social media links and everything's down below. You can check that out if you would like. You might notice the lighting and everything changing throughout this video because it's very cloudy today, but then the sun comes through the clouds and it's just a lot. So that's basically me. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into how you create this look. Okay guys, so what you're first going to do is get all your materials. I use twine, but you can use any sort of rope like material you want. You can use fairlights if you want. Fairlights just don't really fit my aesthetic of my room, so that's why I picked the twine. It kind of brings in the natural elements of like the wood, and then if there's there's wood pieces around my room. So yeah, it kind of ties it all together. And then you're going to need a scissors. You're going to need your Polaroid pictures, obviously. I got my Polaroid pictures by using the Canon Instax printer. I will link that down below if I can find it. I got it for Christmas, so if you haven't seen that video, I'll put a card up here. You can go watch that. But you're going to need your Polaroid pictures, and then you're going to need pegs or some sort of clasp to hold the Polaroids to the rope. I use these little gold little peg things. They're for holding paper together. It's kind of I don't know if you can see that, but that's basically what they are. I just really love these, and they're really trendy so because they're gold and they're simple and they're just clean looking, and they're not they kind of add a bit more class to this whole trend thing. So yeah, that's all I use, and then that is it. And you're going to need some tape or blue tack or double-sided tape, or however you want to stick the twine onto the shelf with. I use double-sided tape, and it's white because my shelves are white. So yeah, that's all you're going to need, and then you can start the process. So basically you're just going to measure the twine to the shelf of your choice. The length, you're going to measure the length of it and how much twine you need, and then you're just going to get your scissors and cut that off. And then pick out the Polaroid pictures you want to use. Kind of place them down on the floor first and see the kind of arrangement you want and how you want to lay them out. And then you're going to get your little gold pegs and stick them on. And then all you're going to do then is bring that up to get your double-sided tape and stick onto each side of the shelf first, and then get your twine with your Polaroid pictures and stick that onto the shelf then, and that's literally it. That is literally it. That is literally the simplest, most effective DIY video I think I've ever done. It looks actually stunning. I'm just looking at it now. I love it so much, and I know you will too. But yeah, so that's it for this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below what you thought, and I will see you next time. Bye!